boys and girls, it's Mrs. Bowman and Mrs. Lamont. Mrs. Lamont is going to walk you through a wonderful thing here on heat transfer. Get ready.
All right, guys, we know that heat transfer, it's really neat, and it flows from hot to cold, from hot to cold. All right, so you had the first triangle that you did with my buddy Warren and I. That should be the first video that you watched. Now we're going to talk about conduction, convection, and radiation, and we're going to do some examples. So what I'd like for you to do, we're going to talk about convection first. That's heat transfer. That is in fluids, liquids, or gases. It is usually a fairly rapid process. It depends on the movement of the material that is heated. Okay, so then I want you to give me an example, and if you were paying attention in the last one, Warren gave you an example. Then conduction is heat transferred within a body or between two bodies that are touching. Occurs in solid, liquids, or gases that are at rest. Now that doesn't necessarily mean from body to body, it just means two things that are touching. Okay, so what I need you to do is give me an example of conduction right here. So you're going to give me a convection here, conduction. Then you're going to do radiation. Now, heat transferred with no material carrier to transmit the energy. The source of the heat and the body that's heated are not touching. And no matter needs to move between them. That's like when we stand out in the sun, we get warm, okay? Or when Miss Lamont goes to the tanning bed, those tanning bed rays that are coming down on me that make me tan. Same thing. That's that radiation at work. So I need you to give me an example of radiation. So we're doing convection, conduction, radiation. Then you are going to fold it into the triangle like we did last time. You're going to glue, glue, glue. And then you can leave this on your desk as a reminder of heat transfer and what you learned about heat transfer.